Is the Face ID and passcode option completely missing from your iPhone settings? This frustrating issue prevents you from setting up Face ID, changing your passcode, or accessing critical security features. So this can be easily fixed because there is a restriction enabled that's hiding the Face ID section from your settings. So let's see the steps of unhiding it. Let's start by opening the Settings app on our iPhone, and if I scroll all the way down towards the bottom, the Face ID and passcode option is usually located here, but it's not showing up for me. So what I will do now is I will go up and click on the Screen Time section. This will prompt us to enter our Screen Time passcode if we have that enabled in order to access and customize a bunch of screen time options on this page. Once you're here, go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, which will then allow you to enable or disable certain restrictions on your iPhone. And the option which we are looking for is this passcode and Face ID. This is probably set to Don't Allow, which is the reason why you didn't see Face ID in your settings, and that's why it was missing. So just change this option to Allow, which will then fix the problem that you had. I will now exit the Screen Time section and go back to my main settings page. Go a bit down, and here is the option which was missing for us. I hope that this guide helped you out, and if you need more helpful iPhone and other tutorial videos like this one, then make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.